Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing on what to wear to the next wedding that you need to attend, especially if it's your best friend's wedding. You have to make sure that you nail that look. I have scouted some of the best looks for you so you can get a top up on your style game. For the girl who does not want to settle for the ordinary style, this metallic sari with neat drapes and the phenomenal way of draping the pallu will let you show off the curves. White dhoti pant and a netted front slit cape with elephant motifs makes it one of our favorite outfits. Perfect for a summer wedding. This is one eccentric outfit you must have in your closet. A personalized lehenga skirt from your mother can never go wrong. It looks mesmerizing in this long off-shoulder cape with a fanciful lehenga skirt. It has ditched the mundane blouse and is totally inspired us to soon try the look. She slays in this traditional Anushri ready ensemble. We love how effortlessly she pulls off this look with minimum jewelry and those shades perfect are just ooh la la. The modish ikat blouse and the tie-and-dye printed sari is exactly how you put together a fab look as a wedding guest. Here's how you can ace the perfect desi girl look with a twist. A collared t-shirt with a sassy skirt and sneakers is sure to make you stand out from the crowd. We are in love with this metallic gown and the red stole from Riddhi and Revika's collection, perfect for a cocktail evening. Here's another charming look. If you are a girl who prefers simplicity, then this austere off-white deep front cut outfit from Aditi Somani's treasure is divine. When paired with a gorgeous piece of Tanishq jewelry, the look is complete. This shows us how to rock the quintessential printed Ritu Kumar outfit. The big emerald layered neckpiece is on point. Ditching the run-of-the-mill and choosing something quirky is what we love the most. This shows us how to be a boss lady in this heavily embroidered green ensemble. If you too want to make a statement at your friend's wedding, this look shows an unexampled way as she looks extraordinary in this beautiful lehenga set. The distinctive way she has tied the sari with a cape and pants is what we are totally crushing over. She has completed the look with an extravagant matha patti and a jeweled clutch. Yet again she impresses us while twirling in this marvelous Aditi Somani outfit and exquisite wedding jewelry from Tanishq. Mix match done totally right. She looks simple yet lovely in this front slit ensemble paired with jacquard pants. It makes a stunning outfit. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.